Now here the question is, we are given this integral from 0 to x dx upon x square plus a square, and it is 1 upon a tan inverse x upon a. Now using the rule of differentiation under the integral sign, we need to show that this integral dx upon x square plus a square whole square, it is 1 upon 2a cube tan inverse x upon a plus x upon 2a square x square plus a square. Now we'll start with this integral. We are given that this integral from 0 to x dx upon x square plus a square, it is equal to 1 upon a tan inverse x upon a. Now what we'll do is we'll differentiate this equation with respect to a. So we can write this integral from 0 to x minus 1 upon x square plus a square whole square into 2a dx, and here it will be 1 upon a into 1 upon 1 plus x square upon a square, and then x minus 1 upon a square and plus tan inverse x upon a as it is, and then minus 1 upon a square. Now here we'll take minus 2a common, so it will be minus 2a, and then this integral from 0 to x dx upon x square plus a square whole square, and here it will be minus x upon a x square plus a square minus 1 upon a square tan inverse x upon a. Now we'll divide everything with minus 2a. So we can write this as this integral from 0 to x dx upon x square plus a square whole square, and here it will be 1 upon 2a square and then x upon x square plus a square, and then plus again we'll divide with minus 2a, so it will be 1 upon 2a cube tan inverse x upon a. So we have the same integral here, dx upon x square plus a square whole square, and it is equal to 1 upon 2a cube tan inverse x upon a, and then 1 upon 2a square x upon x square plus a square. So this is how we solve such questions. Now here the question is, we are given this integral from 0 to infinite e to the power minus ax square dx is under root pi by 2 a to the power minus 1 by 2. Now from this result, we have to deduce the value of this integral from 0 to infinite e to the power minus ax square into x to the power 2n dx. Now here we have this parameter a. So what we'll do is we'll differentiate everything with respect to a. So here on the left hand side we'll have this integral from 0 to infinite e to the power minus a x square into minus x square dx, and here it will be under root pi by 2, and then we have minus 1 by 2 a to the power minus 3 by 2. Now here minus and minus will cancel, so we write this as 0 to infinite e to the power minus ax square into x square dx. It will be under root pi by 2 into 1 by 2 a to the power minus 3 by 2. Now we'll differentiate it again with respect to a. So we'll get 0 to infinite e to the power minus ax square and then x square whole square into minus dx, and it will be under root pi by 2 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2 a to the power minus 5 by 2. Now here minus and minus again will cancel. So if we keep doing it n times, we'll get this as 0 to infinite e to the power minus ax square into x square to the power n dx this integral will be equal to under root pi by 2 into 1 by 2 into 3 by 2 into 5 by 2 up to 2n minus 1 by 2. We can simplify this result as under root pi upon 2 to the power of n plus 1 and then 1 into 3 into 5 up to 2n minus 1.